This is the only way out of here. This door is the only way you're gonna get through here. I can't leave here without my head.
You have finally found me! Patience is not easy. It takes practice, so well done. Right. Search in the sand and you will find what you are looking for there. What's that you found? You found a teddy bear from when you were a child. You can take it with you if you want, but that's not what you're looking for. Keep looking harder, look for something else a bit more useful. Just think, what is it that you need? What do you need to leave here?